Greetings. Welcome to the Sacramento City Unified School District's High School Specialty Program application process. This tutorial will take you through the necessary steps to complete the registration process.
各位家長，你哋好，歡迎各位報名參加沙加緬道市聯合學區高中專業課程嘅申請程序。本教程將引導你完成必要嘅步驟，以完成註冊過程。
From your computer, please go to the Sacramento City Unified School District website at www.scusd.edu. Once there, scroll your cursor over the parent student icon. Then from the drop-down menu, click the enroll icon.
喺電腦上，請登錄到沙加緬道市聯合學區網站，網址係 www.scusd.edu， 將鼠標變換轉到家長學生圖標上，然後從選單向下拉並單擊註冊嘅圖標。Okay.
Focusing on the left side of the web page, scroll down until you see High School Specialty Program Application. Now click that selection.
請專注於網頁嘅左側，向下滾動，直到睇見高中專業課程嘅申請。而家請單擊該選擇。
You should now be at the High School Specialty Application screen.
你而家應該喺高中專業課程嘅申請屏幕上。
Just a few bits of information before we proceed.
喺我哋繼續之前，我哋提供一啲信息俾你哋。
If you reside in the SCUSD school district boundaries, but currently attend a private school or another school not in our district, you will have to pre-register. Notice the dates for pre-registration is from November 3rd through December 4th, 2020. You can click on pre-registration in the box on the right.
如果你係居住響我哋學校區 SCUSD 嘅邊界，但係目前正就讀於私立學校或者唔響我哋學區嘅學校就讀，請必須預先註冊。請注意，預先註冊嘅日期係2020年11月3日至到2020年12月4日。你可以單擊右側框中嘅預註冊。
Depending on the program you choose, you may have to submit school transcripts and test scores. They can be dropped off in our Enrollment Center lobby drop box, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., no later than December 4th, 2020.
根據你選擇嘅課程，你可以必須提交學校成績單同埋考試成績。你可以喺2020年12月4號之前，週1至週5早上8點至到下午1點，將佢哋放喺我哋註冊中心大廳嘅投遞信箱中。
Now getting back to the current page, you can click on the Specialty Programs link here to see what schools and programs are participating and what grade they are accepting.
而家等我哋返到當前嘅頁面，你可以單擊呢一處嘅專業課程鏈接嚟查看參加邊啲學校同埋邊啲課程以及接收嘅年級。
You can also click on the requirements for each specialty program link to see what each programs require.
你亦都可以單擊每個專業課程嘅要求連接，以查看每個程序嘅要求。
It is important to remember that the application acceptance window is open from November 16th through December 17th, 2020. No late applications will be accepted.
重要嘅係記住，申請受理嘅窗口係從2020年11月16號至到2020年12月17號打開，我哋係唔會接受逾期嘅申請。
Now let's click on the Apply Here button, highlighted in green, to get started.
而家我哋點擊綠色突出顯示嘅 Apply Here， 響呢度申請嘅按鈕開始使用。
You are now at the High School Specialty Program Application Student Validation Login screen.
你而家係位於高中專業課程申請表學生驗證登錄屏幕嘅上。
Click in the first box to your left. This is where you will enter one of the following. Number 1, if a current SCUSD student, enter your student email here. If you are a pre-registration student, enter the email you used to enroll here.
單擊左側嘅第一個框，你將喺其中輸入以下嘅內容之一。如果你嘅孩子係當前我哋學校區 SCUSD 嘅學生，請喺呢一度輸入你學生嘅電子郵件。如果你嘅孩子係預註冊嘅學生，請喺呢一度輸入你用嚟註冊嘅電子郵件。
Now click on the second box to the right. Enter the birth date of your student, the 2-digit month, the 2-digit day, and the 4-digit year.
而家請單擊右側嘅第二個框，請輸入你學生嘅生日日期、2位數字嘅月份、2位數字嘅日期，同埋4位數字嘅年份。
Now click on the Validate Login button.
而家請單擊驗證登錄嘅按鈕。
Now we are at the application page.
而家我哋係響申請嘅頁面上邊。
Verify that your student information is correct. If the information is not correct, please email Lisa Lewis at lewisl@scusd.edu, and she will help respond and help you.
請驗證你學生嘅信息係唔係正確。如果信息係唔正確嘅話，請俾 Lisa Lewis 發電子郵件。佢嘅電子郵件地址係 lewisl@scusd.edu， 佢將為你提供幫助。
On the box on the left with the up and down arrows, click and scroll to the desired program choice. If you make a mistake, scroll back up to the Select a Program and start over.
響帶有向上向下箭頭嘅左側框入邊，單擊並且滾動到所需要嘅程序或者課程嘅選擇。如果輸入係有錯誤嘅話，請滾動到選擇課程，然後再重新開始。
You must make at least one program selection.
你必須至少選擇一個課程。
You can also select a program in the case, you can also select a second program in the case you are not selected for your first program selection.
如果你第一嘅課程選擇係冇被選中，你仲可以選擇另外第二個課程。
Please note, you are not required to make 2 selections. Only make a second choice if you have a second program you are interested in the case you do not get selected for your first choice.
請注意，你係唔需要進行2項嘅選擇。如果你對第二個選擇嘅課程感到興趣，就選第二個課程，以防萬一你第一個課程係冇被選中。
Now take a look at the school information section. Please check yes only if your parent is employed at your first or second program selection. We will verify employment. If not employed, please check no.
而家請睇一下學校信息嘅部分。假如家長係受僱於第一項、第二項目中嘅選擇，你先選擇係。我哋將核實家長嘅就業情況。如果家長係唔受僱於第一項、第二項目，請選擇唔係。
In the special education section, please check whether you are currently receiving special education services and or have a 504 plan currently in place.
喺特殊教育部分，請檢查一下你孩子當前係唔係正在接受特殊教育服務，或者係已經制定咗504嘅計劃。
Note, any information provided regarding a student's special education or disability is solely for the purpose of promptly providing required accommodations and does not exclude any student from an open enrollment lottery.
請注意，你所提供有關學生特殊教育或者係殘疾嘅任何信息，只係為咗迅速提供所需嘅調整，並唔會阻止任何學生進入公開招生抽籤嘅系統。
Lastly, in the additional applicant information section, please explain in detail the ways you are well suited to the program goals and in what ways this program will support your life goals.
最後，喺申請人其他嘅信息部分入邊，請詳細說明你係非常適合呢個計劃目標嘅方式，以及呢個計劃係以何種方式支持你嘅生活目標。
When finished, please click on the Submit Form button. Thank you for your interest in the Sacramento City Unified School District's high school specialty programs.
完成之後，請點擊提交表格就好。多謝你關注沙加緬度市聯合學區嘅高中專業課程計劃。